Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today we're diving into a super useful trick for anyone working with data in Google Sheets, how to reverse the order of rows in your spreadsheet. By the end of this tutorial, you'll know a quick and reliable method to flip the row order so your newest or most important data always shows up first. Whether you're tracking tasks, managing logs, or just want your latest entries at the top, you'll find this technique really handy. Let's jump right in. Say you've got a list of dates in column A just like this. 2025-12-10, 2025-12-11, all the way through to 2025-12-14, each on a new row. Typically, when you're logging data, the oldest entry sits at the top, and as you add new information, it piles up at the bottom. But what if you want to see your latest data front and center without having to hunt for it at the end of your list? This is where revering the row order comes in. It lets you quickly glance at your newest updates, perfect for activities like tracking recent sales, project logs, or daily journal entries. Let's get your data reversed so the most recent entries always appear at the top. Here, how we do it. First, click into cell B2 that's right next to your first date entry, and now enter the following formula. Equals index $, $2, $6, counted $, $2, $6, row A2 plus row $, 2. Okay, let me break down what's going on inside this formula because understanding it will really empower you to tweak or troubleshoot in the future. The index part is what's pulling values from your original list. We're telling Google Sheets, hey, grab me an item out of A2 to A6. But the magic happens with everything after that first comma, counted $, $2, $6, row A2 plus row $, 2. COUNTA simply counts how many entries are actually in that column. In our case, that's probably 5, 1 for each date. Gives us the row number, but here, because we start in row 2, that's important to keep our referencing correct. So COUNTA minus row plus row, this sequence calculates an index that starts from the bottom of your range and works its way up step by step. The result. When you drag that formula down through B2 to B6, it systematically pulls each date from the end of your original list to the top, perfectly revering the order. If this seems a little technical, don't worry. The key is copying that formula exactly as I showed you into cell B2, then dragging it down alongside your list. If you get a blank or an error, just double-check your range. Maybe you have extra empty spaces at the bottom, or your list is longer or shorter than you realized. Adjust the $2, $6 part of the formula to match your own data range. One quick tip, it's important to use the dollar signs in the range $2, $6, because they tell Google Sheets to lock in those rows while the formula copies down, so it doesn't start shifting your range around and giving you weird results. And that's really it. You've now reversed your list, putting the freshest data right where you need it. This trick is especially valuable if you review recent activities all the time and want to save yourself from endless scrolling. I hope you found this tutorial helpful. If you learned something new, please give this video a like. It really helps out the channel. Let me know in the comments if you have any questions or if there's another Google Sheets tip you want to see next. And of course, make sure you subscribe so you never miss a future tutorial. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.